If your mozzarella sticks keep exploding while cooking, this recipe fixes that problem forever. Stick around for the secret that keeps all that cheese exactly where it belongs. Start with a block of mozzarella. Now coat each mozzarella piece, first in flour, then in egg, and finish with breadcrumbs. For the best results, repeat the egg and breadcrumb coating one more time. That double coating creates a stronger crust and helps prevent the cheese from leaking out while cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius. Cook for about 8 minutes until golden brown and the cheese inside is perfectly melted. While the mozzarella is cooking, prepare the sauce. Add butter, honey, garlic powder, Frank's hot sauce, chicken salt, and apple cider vinegar. Whisk everything together until smooth, glossy, and slightly sticky. Once the cheese sticks are ready, drizzle over that hot honey buffalo sauce. The result is crispy, crunchy coating on the outside, molten cheese in the center, and the perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and savory flavors.